ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ እንዴት ናችሁ? እኔ ደህና ነኝ። ዛሬ የምናየው ምንድነው? ስለ ዲስትሪቢዩት ዳታቤዝ ፓርት ፎርን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ያው ሁሌም እንደምናገረው የምታውቁትን ነገር ማሳወቅ በፈጣሪ ዘንድ መልካም ነውና እኔ ደግሞ ስፔሻሊ አሁን ሙዚቃ ስናዳምጥ ሙዚቃው ያው ኖርማሊ ግጥሙን ዝም ብለን በድምፅ እንሰማዋለን። እዚያ በኋላ ሌላ ጊዜ ደግሞ በአእምሮአችን ይዘን ያን ሙዚቃ ልክ እንደምንዘፍነው ሁሉ አሁን ደግሞ ሰብጀክት ማተር የሆነ ነገር ለምን እንደዚህ አናደርግም የሚል ሴንስ ተረድቼ ነው ማለት ነው ይሄንን የምሰራላችሁ ማለት ነው። ዛሬ የምናየው ዳታ ሎኬሽን ነው ማለት ነው። ዲስትሪቢዩት ዳታቤዝ ማኔጅመንት ሲስተም ፓርት ፎርን ነው የምናየው። ፓርት ዋን፣ ፓርት ቱ፣ ፓርት ስሪ ኢትዮ ቲች ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ሰርች አድርጋችሁ ገብታችሁ መከታተል ትችላላችሁ። በድጋሜ ቤተሰቦቼ የኔ ቤተሰቦች የሆናችሁ ማለት ነው ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሻር ያደረጋችሁ እንዲያዩት ጋብዟቸው፣ ኢንቫይት አድርጓቸው። በቀላሉ ኢንቫይት አድርጋችሁ የሚከታተሉበትን ነገር መፍጠር ትችላላችሁ። ስለተከታተላችሁኝ ደግሞ እናንተ በጣም ነው የማመሰግነው። በተለይ ሲኦሲ ቤዝድ የሆነ ኮሽኖችን በቅርቡ ለቅላችኋለሁ። እዚህ በተጨማሪ ደግሞ ስለ ዲስትሪቢዩሽን ቤዚክ የሆነ ኮርስ ስለሆነ ነው። ዲስትሪቢዩትድ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ብዙ ጊዜ በዲግሪም በኤምኤስም ይሰጣሉ እነዚህ ኮርሶች። የረሳችሁ ልጆች ካላችሁ እሱን ማስታወስ እንድታስታውሱ ነው የምፈልገው። በተለየ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር እነ ኡዙ የሚባል ሪፈራንስ መጽሐፍ አለ። እሱን ብታነቡተኝ ሞር ደግሞ ከዚህ በላይ ግልጸኝነት እዚያ የተወሰደ መጽሐፍ ነው። እሱን የምትፈልጉ ካላችሁ ኡዙን ሊንክ ማድረግላችሁ ይሆናል። ኮሜንት ጻፉልኝ፣ ብቻ እናንተ ኮሜንት ጻፉልኝ፣ እኔ ተከታትዬ መልስ የምሰጣችሁ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እና ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሸር ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ አዳዲሶቹ ማለት ነው። ቤተሰቦቼ ደግሞ ስለምትከታተሉኝ አመሰግናለሁ። እንድጠነክር ኮሜንት እና ላይክ ብታደርጉልኝ ከዚህም በላይ መስራት የምችልበትን ሁኔታ አመቻቻለሁ ማለት ነው። ኤኒዋይ ዛሬ የምናየው ዳታ ሎኬሽን የሚለውን ነገር እናያለን ማለት ነው። ሪፈረንስ አለላችሁ። አሎኬሽን ኦልተርናቲቭስ እዚህ ጋር አሎኬሽን ኦፍ ኦልተርናቲቭስ ሚንስ ነው አሎኬት ዴታ ነን replicated and replicated. The third one rule of thumb እናያለን ማለት ነው። ነን replicated within the partitioned each fragment resides at only one site. Non replicated means only one site fragment residence. Then none versus replicated, non-replicated. Replicated, fully replicated each fragment at each site is fully replicated means replicated. Partially replicated each fragment at some of the site. Rule of thumb. Read only minus only carry over update carry. Greater than or is equal to 1. Replication is advantageous. Otherwise, replication can cause problems. Comparison of replication alternatives. The comparison of replication, full replication, partial replication, and partitioning replication. Replicating. Query processing, full replication like easy now. Partial replicated and partitioning replication some difficulty. Directory management, full replication easily or non-existence. Partial replication and partitioning some difficulty. Concurrency control, full replication, moderate. Partial replication and partitioning. Partial replication, difficult. Partitioning, easy. Reliability, full replication, very high. Partial replication, high. Partitioning, low. Reality, full replication, possible application. Partial replication, elastic. Partitioning, possible application. Information requirements. 4 categories. Information requirements. Database information, application information, communication, network information, computer system information. There are 4 categories of information requirement. First, database information. Second, application information. Third, communication network information. The fourth one, computer system information. Fragmentation allocation. Problem statement. Given f is equal to f1, f2 and fn fragments s, s1, s2, sn networks site q, q1, q2, qq application. Find the optimal destination of f2s. Optimally, this is example of fragmentation allocation to calculate this algorithm. በነገራችን ላይ ይሄ ዲስትሪቢዩት ዳታቤዝ አድቫንስድ ዲስትሪቢዩት ዳታቤዝ ላይ ተምራችሁታል። እሱ ጋር ሪፈር ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ኦፕቲማሊ ሚኒማል ኮስት ኮሚኒኬሽን ፕላስ ስቶሬጅ ፕላስ ፕሮሰሲንግ ሪያል ኤንድ ሪድ ኤንድ አፕዴት ኮስት ኢን ተርምስ ኦፍ ታይም ዩዥዋሊ ፐርፎርማንስ ሪስፖንስ ታይም ኤንድ ኦር throughput constraints per site constraint storage and processing. Information requirements. Database information. Alternatively of fragment. Size of a fragment. Application information. Access type and numbers. Access locations. Access localities. Communication network information. Until cast of storage data at site. Unicast cost of storing data at a site. Unicast of processing at a site. Computer system information. Bandwidth, latency, communication overhead. Allocation. File allocation. FAP, VS database allocation, DAP. Fragments are not individual files. Relationships have to be maintained. Access to database in more complicated. Remote file access model not applicable. Relationship between allocation and query processing. Cost of integrity enforcement should be considered. Cost of concurrency control should be considered. Allocation information requirement. Database information. Selectivity of fragments and size of a fragment. This illustrates database information. Application information. Number of read access of a query to a fragment. A number of update access of query to a fragment. A matrix indicating which queries updates which fragment. A similar matrix for retrievers. Originating site of each query. This illustrates application information. Site information. Unit cost of storing data at site. Unit cost of processing at site. Network information, communication cost, frame between two sites, frame size. It is the network information. Allocation model. General form, mini total cost, subject to response time, constraints, storage constraint, processing constraint. Decision variable. This is the example of decision variable. Allocation model. Next slide. Total cost. It is summation of all queries, query processing cost plus all sites plus all fragment cost of storing fragment at a site. Total cost, all queries, query processing cost plus all sites, all fragment cost, fragment storing fragment a fragment at a site. Storage cost of fragment fj at sr. Unit storage at sr times size of fj times xjr. Query processing cost for one query. Processing component plus transmission component. Query processing cost, processing component, access cost plus integrity enforcement cost plus concurrency control cost. Access cost. All sites or fragment, no of update access plus no of read access times xij times local processing cost at a site. This is the query processing cost. Allocation cost. Refer the UZU textbook. Integrity enforcement or and concurrency control cost can be similar calculated. This is allocation of model. Okay, next, allocation mode. Solution methods. FAP is NP complete. DAP also NP complete. Heuristics based on single commodity warehouse location for FAP. Conspect problem. Branch and bound techniques. Network flow. Attempt or reduce the solution space. Assume all candidates partitioning now. Select the best performing partitioning. Ignore the replication at first. Shielding window on fragment. ስለተከታተላችሁኝ አመሰግናለሁ። በፓርት 5 እስክንገናኝ ባይ ባይ።